1,000 years, centuries, months, day by day, we cross these rivers. Months by months, we arrive at the shore. We are the shore of no cultural identity. Thomas, I heard. Edmund, I have heard. Perhaps Anthony, I will hear. But what about Ajibade? What about Ajani? What about Bode? The need to have an identity, the need to have a place of birth. Arise, O ye people, and seek forth your place of identity. Run through the forest and look for yourselves. Cross these boats, swim across these oceans. Forget these planes and tickets and look for yourselves. Cross Serengeti. Speak to the cattle and drink this milk, sons and daughters. Stay under the sun, you will not go pink. Let the rain beat you over and over again, for the melanin is strong in you. We shall dance to this rhythm. We shall tap our feet again. Africa, we shall dance to your music. Arise, your sons and daughters, for we shall dance and dance and dance to you. We shall dance. The tempo is high. The mood is right. We're going back home. My eyes are closed to Europe and open to Africa. I'm back home, Africa. That's it.